So let's wrap up this in 2 minutes. So what we have done, we have gone over the user story based on the back end, and we also went to the front end as well. So many user story. We look through the Swagger. We have gone over the functionality of the Swagger, what you can do on the Swagger, and we run the couple like the sign in, the API on the Swagger. We do the curl command and we bring the curl in the Postman, downloaded and shown how to download the Postman, created the workspace name, created the collection, designed the Postman, how the API testing need to be designed. We run them manually. We verified them manually, make sure everything is properly done. And we know the positive testing, the outcome. We also knew what is the negative testing outcome. After the manual verification is done, we have actually walked through the Postman test feature section. We actually bring all the Postman snippet to run the automation, to build all the automation setup, and we run the collection on the Postman successfully. We exported the Postman collection in the Windows computer. And then what we did, we installed the Node.js, and then we installed the Newman. We run the same collection on the Windows console. We ran it successfully. What we did then, we actually created the repository on the Git, and then we actually install the Git from the Google, and we run the basic Git command in between the local host and the remote host. And then finally, we created the new project on the Jenkins. This is actually Jenkins server. Jenkins is based on the discuss about the Jenkins server, how it is built, and it is Node.js based. That's the reason we install the Node.js, and then we configure it, we run it. We also actually created the token on the GitLab because we are not able to pass the password in the Jenkins because it does not allow anymore, and we run it successfully. That's actually the entire like the project end to end, like the software development. If you do this, that's exactly what you have to do. That's your work. So you see there is some work in the front-end developer, some work in the back-end, some work for the QA, some work for the cloud ops engineer. They are all working on the same environment. That's it.